So I was trying to figure out why this wasn't printing right, and we found one of the screws came loose, and I can't really see what the hell's going on here. And what I really need to do is remove the entire head off of here so I can inspect it. But I'm not sure if it's missing two or one. But it was inside the boot when I pulled the boot off. Okay, there's one right there. So it's that one that's missing. But also this thing's been printed with enough now to where the deal is starting to wobble. I think this is a documented problem with these bolts coming loose. I just couldn't figure it out because it was printing fine and all of a sudden it went to crap. Yeah, so that's definitely where it was. They're both loose. I noticed yesterday I got a clog and I pulled this thing and that's when I ended up with a problem. And I'm probably gonna have another problem, which means I might have to take the entire thing apart because it might have worked its way loose and it doesn't even want to fit. So what happened is the heat throat will back away from the nozzle. So the next thing I got to do is address this. That's a lot of play. I'm just barely touching it. So I was like, why can I not get this thing to calibrate? So I think my other one's got the same problem too because it's doing similar stuff. That's why people don't like palm wheels. As you can see, and this printer. Oh, I'm trying to think of when I bought it. I don't think it's even 6 months old. I'm not sure. Look at all that. Trying to get it off of there. Yeah. So you have something like this, it won't wear out, but everything else does. So this one. Oh, look at this. There is some kind of fluid. It's like some oil behind the back of this one. I really don't like the design that they use on these, but I mean, they work. So now I gotta go and find the rest of this. They don't even give you a nozzle, I don't think. Oh, I got a spare nozzle. I need to see about getting some others. So, so with these here, there's going to be an eccentric wheel down in the bottom. Look really careful. Should be able to see it. And it's right here. So you just adjust it. That's the wrong way. You don't want it too tight. That looks pretty good. This radio I'm listening to right now sounds like it just drifted. I think these guys are an AM. Sure are.
Sovol, 45 cubic inch. That's the same engine, basically the same engine that they put in the Serva-car. You know,
It's weird how I heard them pretty well on sideband though.
Ice Cream Man, Trike.
Anyway, I need to get this thing back up on the table and get it printing and go to bed.